ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಚೂಸನ್ ಅ ಲೆಸನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸಿರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಸಿರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಪಾಠ? ಬಿಲ್ಲಹಬ್ಬ. ಸೊ before starting with the lesson, I request you to take out your textbook, pencil, eraser and sit in a quiet place. We'll start with the lesson Billahabba. And there are few lessons which is already been done, and those lessons you can find it in the playlist of 7th standard in the Yashaswini YouTube channel. The link is mentioned in the description box also, and it will be given here. So please do check it out. So before going to the lesson, this is basically drama. Okay, so I want to give a little bit of insight, the few more information that related to this story. Okay, so illi the Billahabba, the title Billahabba andre it's a kind of a festival. Billu andre danasu is a bow and arrow. Okay, bow, basically it's a bow. So what happens is there is a festival that happens where a very huge bow has to be taken out from the box and it used to be kept straight. Okay, adanna yaru straight agi itkondu they will leave the arrow, so they will be the winner. So this is the tradition of a Billahabba. Okay, so this is the Billahabba. Okay, I have just given a small information about this, and you will have in a page number 77 the entire details of this Billahabba. Okay na, so you can go and watch that one. Billahabba andre yenu, what is Billahabba? It has entire details. And before that one more story. So each story it is there in the page number 75. So illi there is a conversation that happens between the Kamsa and among his subordinates, basically in his palace court. So yaru Kamsa? Kamsa is a Mava, uncle for Krishna, Lord Krishna. So what happens? Kamsa, he was a king of a Mathura. Okay, Mathura Raja, you know. So when he he had a sister Devaki. So Devaki, she gets married. Okay, on that day there was a marriage procession was going on. So Devaki Vasudeva jotege she'll get married. On that procession, the Kamsa will hear a voice saying that the 8th baby of Devaki will kill you, anta. So at that time, after hearing this, he will start torturing Devaki. So immediately Vasudeva will tell, after she gives a birth, I'll promise you that I'll give the baby and you can kill the baby. So the same how Vasudeva, he bought the babies. Every baby, after Devaki delivers a baby, he used to bring the baby to the Kamsa, and Kamsa used to kill those babies. So till the 8th baby. And when the 8th baby is born, so it's basically Krishna, he born, and he will tell, on the day itself he will tell, so I will go to the Nandanavana, Gokula Koktini, I'll go there, and here you have this a female baby, you give this baby to Kamsa, anta the Krishna will tell. So the same way the Vasudeva, he will take this 8th baby, the girl baby, to Kamsa, and when Kamsa tried to kill this baby, that female baby, it jumped high to the sky and it told, oh Kamsa, the baby that you wanted to kill, he is growing in Gokula. His name is Krishna, he is growing in a Gokula anta heli, that baby will vanish in the sky itself. From that time, Kamsa will start planning some or the other thing to kill Krishna. So he will be failed in all his attempts. And one final thing that he wants to do now is to call Krishna and Balarama. Balarama is a brother of Krishna, to this Billahabba, and he wanted to kill them in the Billahabba. So what happens that? So that is the entire scenario of this lesson. So this has been mixed with the humor and a drama kind of a thing. So that is what we are going to learn from the next video about this lesson. This is a short story and the information that you need to have before starting with the lesson Billahabba. I request you to learn the 75. Read the page number 75 matte page number 77. If you have any doubt, leave it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to explain you the particular sentence or the words. So thank you so much, and meet you in the next part of the video Billahabba. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends, and be ready for the next part of the Billahabba. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. From Yashaswikannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2 vocabulary book, and the 10th book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.